Hello everyone, myself Rambasan. I am from Nttf Vellore Center in second year Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing. Today my topic name is NC machine. Introduction, history of NC machine, parts of NC machine, types of NC system, basic components of NC machine, advantages and disadvantages of NC machine. Control, it is denoted by NC. A machine tool operated by several codes, instructions that includes numbers, letters of alphabet, symbols that can able to control machine control unit. It is denoted by NCU, can be read and performed in NC machine. Instructions are converted into electric pulse. Machine motors controls follow to perform manufacturing takes place on the workpiece. History of NC machine. NC machine is generally created by John Dispatcher and the first NC machine are built in 1940s. Parts of NC machine. Parts of NC machine. Spindle, cutting tool, X-axis servo motor, ball screw, Y-axis servo motor, X position transducer and Y position transducer. Types of NC system. These types of NC system according to the machine based. There are three types: point-to-point system, straight cut system, controlling system or continuous path. Basic components of NC machine. The NC machine is mainly three components are used: punch tape, machine control unit, machine tool or programming equipments. NC system. NC can be divided into number of direction of motion instructions that are able to control simultaneously on a machine tool. In NC coordinating system, each free body have 6 degrees of freedom, 3 positive and 3 negative transducers. The X, Y and Z axis, 3 rotations clockwise or counterclockwise about these directions. Machine tool applications. The main machine tool applications are milling, drilling, grinding, boring and machining center, turning center, mill center, punch process, thermal cutting, machine, etc. Advantages of NC machine. NC machine is used high dimensional accuracy, reduced scrapped and a complicated profile can be easily performed and machined in NC system. Production development is easier and faster and reduce time. Disadvantages of NC machine. The cost of the NC machine is very high. The skilled programmer is required. Higher skilled worker is needed. Higher maintenance cost and programming training is required. Thank you.